Good morning, everyone. So today is Friday. We are just now entering London session on Nasdaq. If we look at what price did, as the analysis is moving toward the relevant levels here, and the all-time high inside this range. So yesterday we've drawn up this, drawn liquidity, a low-hanging fruit here. This draw on liquidity for the weekly. So for the week, this is still the draw on liquidity. This was the draw on liquidity for yesterday's session. If we go to the 4-hour chart, we will see that we have had this range yesterday, right? This is the range I've drawn up for the New York session. In the New York session, because in the London session, the range was pretty much like this, and we were trading here. Very good London session. As anticipated, it hit the top of this range, so we had a pretty good London session. If we go back, leave it as it was on the New York session, and we go to a 15-minute chart, then we see this, right? So price traded up pre-market here, came down on the open, it came down to the midnight opening price line and tapped equilibrium area, and then continued higher. Now if I go to the 3-minute chart, this is my entry chart. On the 3-minute chart, we have had some good opportunities here. So first of all, it was this right on the open. So right on the open, I shot it here. With a 2R. That was a very good one. Then I did long here. After this displacement candle, after this displacement candle, after this retest, and this change the state of delivery. So this was another trade I did not hold all the way up. I actually exited somewhere around here, as it was late in the session. Now let's see what can we say about today. Let's go back to our 4-hour chart. This is not relevant anymore. This is not relevant anymore, but this is relevant. So we had that level, and now because we have had this here, all right, this is my new range. So this is the new range I want to work with. On the 4-hour, let's see to make this as a range. There we go. And I will lock it. So the draw liquidity is still this one, all the way down there, up there. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, so I was saying we're in this range. Let's go down to 15 minute. On the 15 minute, I would want price to come down to where? To here. Because if I look at this, I look at this structure, I have this 4-hour imbalance here at Asia low. Price has taken Asia high now, so we either trade the retracement into this imbalance here, into Asia low, then we look for a reaction to this imbalance, so from external to internal, and then for price to create a new range. If it creates a low here that is taking liquidity below this, and likely below this as well, so something like this. Pam, 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 pam. And we would want to either trade this leg, so either this, or better yet, we would want to trade this. Because that's the higher time frame narrative. Of course, hopefully some better risk to reward. Right, so that's the plan for today. That's what I'm looking at. And that's all. As always, trade safe. If you found any value to this analysis, feel free to like, share, and that would help me also gather some more people for the channel. So far, after yesterday, we've passed 60, so that's good. Not my intention to build a big community, but it's good nonetheless to see people interested in this. Thank you. Bye.